10 lines on my autobiography. My name is Rahul and I am a student of class 8. I live with my parents and younger sister in a small town. I love reading books and drawing pictures in my free time. I go to school every day and try to learn something new. My favorite subject is science because I enjoy experiments. I want to become a doctor and help people when I grow up. My parents always support and encourage me to do my best. I believe in honesty, kindness, and hard work. I enjoy spending time with friends and helping others. This is my small story and I hope to make it a great one.